Hey guys, what's up? I'm sitting next to the EBMX X9000 V3, and boy is it a doozy. I don't know if people still use the word doozy, but we're going to use it in this case because this thing is truly a doozy. It has so many features, including what EBMX calls wheel lift assist, which can stop the bike from looping out and/or having the front wheel lift off the ground using an inner gyro. Apart from all the features of this controller, what EBMX is offering is quality, stability, and a solid product that's going to make your bike not only feel better, but faster, stronger, and add a little bit of longevity to it as well, including the capacity to take up to 50 kilowatts and 120 volts. With the shiny logo and heatsink lines, the controller is going to look very similar, perform very similar, but have some very different settings on the inside of it. We are incredibly happy to be working with EBMX as a distributor here in Canada. The reason being, EBMX has pushed the sport as far as not only componentry, but riding, events, building tunes for suspension. EBMX has always been at the forefront of technology and culture, and we are so happy to represent them here in Canada. Thank you so much for making us your choice, and we look forward to having the EBMX family grow here in Canada. You can get these controllers in-store, online, or through us as a retailer. Please check us out. We'll talk to you soon.